Good afternoon, y'all. How's it going? My name is Sonsharare Owens, and today I'm going to be starting seedlings with y'all. We're just going to be showing y'all how I start my vegetables from the inside of my home. Eventually, I will be transplanting these to the community garden that I work at. But for now, we're just going to be starting them. I'm going to tell y'all what we need to start. First, we need dirt, soil. I'm using this soil right here that I got from Home Depot. I got these trays from Home Depot as well. You can get these from the dollar store if you can't get a ride to Home Depot's. These are like $3-4 at like Family Dollar and Dollar General, which is really good. You're also going to need a watering can or a cup. I just bought this. I've been using cups. I'm not even going to act like I got it like that. So don't. And seeds. So today I'm going to be planting, can you see this? Pumpkins and squash. I'm really excited about the pumpkins because if I start these early enough, I can transplant them on time and start a pumpkin patch, which I'm really excited to do because I've been wanting to start a pumpkin patch in the hood for a minute now. So I'm going to try to create a pumpkin patch, and then I'm going to do some squash just because pumpkin and squash are very compatible with each other and they like to grow next to each other. Huh? Alright, so the first step is putting your dirt in the tray, and then we're going to make holes, which I did already, and put the seeds inside. And we're listening to Big Val just to set the mood right. And then I'm just putting this is how the squash seeds look. I'm just putting them in the hole and then going to cover it. And I'm just going like this so I have a little pattern I remember. Okay, I finally watered them, and I also put these labels here just so I know what seeds are in this tray. Okay, so now that we are done, I am going to put this tray next to the window. This room get a lot of sunlight, so they should be good. I will water them once a day, and they will stay in this room until the last frost, which I think is May, the beginning of May, but we'll Google that just to be sure. And that's all it takes. This is such a fun activity to do during quarantine. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram at SonNeedsMoney to see the update on these seeds and to learn any more information about growing your own vegetables, as well as a place. If you need a place to grow your vegetables, I do work in a community garden, and we do have a bunch of plots free. So just contact me via email. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again, and have a good day.